In my channel today we have very interesting and tricky question, exponential equation. So for exponent of x is equal to 0.125, how we can calculate the value of x is unknown. So in this type of exponential equation, so first of all we try to finish the first point. So 0, 1, 2, 5, and the place of decimal point we put 1 and the other integers we put 30. So we get in here, we try to cancellation these points and this will be 200. And further if we are simplify this result, so we get in here 5 divided by 40, and further we can simplify, this will be 8, so 1 by 8. For exponent of x is equal to 1 by 8. Now further we can write 2 exponent of 2 whole exponent of x, and similarly in here 2 exponent of 3. Now this we change according to the rules. According to this rules, 1 by x, so we can write x power minus 1. So this will be changed. Now according to the double exponent rule, x exponent of m whole exponent of n is equal to x mn. According to this exponent rule we are applying in here, 2 exponent of 2x is equal to 2 exponent of minus 3, and here bases are same, so we are compare to each other. 2x is equal to minus 3. Now dividing both sides by 2, we get the result is 2 are cancelled and x is equal to minus 3 by 2. Minus 3 by 2 is the solution of this question. X is equal to minus 3 by 2. In replace of 4 exponent of x is equal to 0.0125, we try to solve this result. In replace of x we put minus 3 by 2 is equal to question mark 0.0125. now this result we can write 2 exponent of 2, we get 4, and minus 3 by 2 is question mark 0.0125. Now this is cancelled to each other. 2 exponent of minus 3 is remaining is the question mark 0.0125. Now this is the reciprocal of 2 exponent of 3 is question mark is 0.0125. Now we divide this will be equal to 1 by 8. So this will be equal to 1 by 8 is equal to question mark 0.0125. So if we divide this result, we get 0.125, both are equal 0.0125. So our solution is x is equal to minus 3 by 2 is the correct answer. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe my channel, share this video more and more.